Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage data migration with Carbonite step by step clearly.
Start by assessing your current data environment. Identify the data you want to migrate.
Make a list of all files, applications, and databases involved.
Ensure all your data is backed up before beginning the migration.
Next, choose the right Carbonite plan for your needs. Visit the Carbonite website and review the available options.
Select the plan that best fits your data migration requirements. Download and install the Carbonite application on your computer. Follow the installation prompts to complete the setup. Once installed, open the Carbonite application.
Sign in with your Carbonite account credentials.
If you don't have an account, create one directly in the app. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the files and folders you wish to migrate. Ensure that all necessary data is included in your selection. Next, configure your backup settings. Choose between continuous backup or scheduled backup options. After settings are configured, initiate the backup. Monitoring the progress is crucial during the backup process.
You will receive notifications about the backup status.
Once the backup is complete, verify that all data is secured.
Now, proceed to the migration phase.
Determine the destination for your data transfer.
This could be another device, cloud storage, or a different server.
Set up the target environment to receive the data. Using the Carbonite application, select the data to migrate.
Initiate the migration process by clicking on the Transfer button. Monitor the migration progress closely. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.